So what's the holy grail? Okay. And how do you handle the drawdowns? The best way that I have started running the drawdowns is running diversified, low correlated strategies. If you are owning a casino, you can't have only one game. Okay. You will have multiple games which has different payoffs.
Right.
Different winning bets. So you as a trader, it's like, if you are a system trader, then you will have different strategies at different table with a different payoff. A lot of people kind of talk about that this strategy only gives 20% return. Why are you having in your portfolio? The answer is, when you go out and build a cricket team, you don't want Sachin Tendulkar in your team. You want Sachin Tendulkar, you want Virendra Sehwag, you also want Rahul Dravid, who in the middle order, because I come from that, I still don't know the new guys, right? So you still need Rahul Dravid, you still need Yuvraj Singh, you still need Mohammad Kaif in the middle order. Okay, when your big players are not performing, you still want to take out that month as a profitable month, then this low or a low return strategies or negatively correlated strategies will help you to sail through.